show y'all the alignment. Got the new tires on it. I just gotta get it painted up and stuff. Y'all see. Alright gang, y'all check out the tank for a minute. Let y'all check it out. Alright gang, this is what I came to show y'all, man. To show y'all this. I'm building them a little house. And I'm gonna show y'all the alignment. Got the new tires on it. I just gotta get it painted up and stuff. Y'all see. Just let y'all see. Again, the only thing I did is got this pallet, and that's another pallet, them boards, and I'm gonna put the frame around it that you can see. I'm just showing y'all the beginning. Gotta spend a lot to build something, but it's gonna look nice too. Then put the top on it. I'm gonna put a back on it, get it up off the ground, lift it up. It's gonna look real nice back here. But y'all stick around, I'll show y'all the rest when I get back started on it. Peace. Come on, y'all, get out and run. Go home, Juju. Juju, go home. Juju! Alright, gang. It's day 2. Progress. I should tell y'all it take a little time, but when I'm finished with it, it's gonna look real nice. Won't even notice what it is once I'm finished. And it's coming for a cheap price. Well, I'm doing it for saving every dollar. That's what I'm doing. Alright, gang. Here you go. Almost done. I'm gonna dress it up a little bit more, gang. Y'all leave them comments, tell me what you think about it. I'll show y'all the finished product when it's all done. Soon I'm gonna keep going with it. It's a little quick something to make. Check them out, check them out, check them out. Ruby, Juju. Look at the cage, gang. Gooch.
Bitch, I'm hopping out and driving, I ain't never waste no time. Watch out, I ain't never done shit. I stay up on that fuck shit to get your head bust quick. Come here, run them down, I show 'em how that glitz sound. I ain't never been up. Watch out, sit down. Watch out, bro, don't fuck 'em up. Ain't hopping out that Sprinter truck. I step on that. Yeah, I love it, I fuck 'em up. They ain't about to double up and watch how we fuck 'em up. Shitting on these niggas, this is who wants some war with us. Bitch, I'm smoking shit. Yeah, you know.
Come here. Ruby, you want to play with the ball? Come here. Ruby, come here. Juju.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell.